Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Xbox account region and payment method so the code works immediately. Open the Microsoft Store or Xbox app and choose digital or physical. Digital delivers instantly, while physical requires shipping or pickup. Once chosen, pick the amount that matches your goal. Small balances add up. Make sure your account billing address matches your payment method to avoid declines. This avoids common errors and puts you into the buying flow fast. Next, complete the purchase from Microsoft or an authorized retailer to reduce risk. You want a guaranteed, redeemable code. Use two-factor authentication on your Microsoft account so unauthorized buys are blocked, and keep the receipt plus order ID for proof. Once you get a digital code, copy it carefully. If it's physical, scratch or reveal the PIN only when ready to redeem. Make sure to avoid third-party marketplaces unless they are verified. Finally, redeem the code on your Xbox console, PC, or at account. Microsoft.com/redeem, enter the characters exactly. Once redeemed, your balance updates immediately and you can purchase games or subscriptions. If you hit an error, restart the console or app and re-enter the code. Sometimes caching or input mistakes cause failures. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with your order ID and receipt. They can verify the code and resolve credit issues. One tip: never
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.